Africa is regarded as the cradle of humanity and the home of wild animals. From the Sahara Desert to the Kalahari Desert, there are amazing creatures that make life on Earth more interesting. Africa has the largest population of mammals and birds in the world. However, some of these animals can be very scary. Do you want to know which animals in Africa are not so friendly? Stay tuned till the end as we shall be showing you animals that feed on both other animals and humans. Number 7. Nile crocodile. The Nile crocodile is one of the largest African predators. It is commonly found in freshwater habitats in Africa, mostly in the eastern and southern regions. The reptile has a powerful bite, has excellent swimming skills, and can even run at speeds of up to 11 miles per hour. This makes it deadly both in and out of the water. The Nile crocodile feeds mainly on fish, but it will also feed on anything else that gets too close, including humans. According to National Geographic, the Nile crocodile is responsible for 275 to 450 attacks on humans each year, causing approximately 135 to 275 deaths. They usually attack by stealth, grabbing their unsuspecting victims before dragging them into the water. In the water, they use their powerful tails to keep their prey submerged while they drown. People living along the riverbanks are most vulnerable to these attacks. For this reason, the crocodiles are sometimes referred to as the king of the river. No. 6. African rock python. Snakes are some of the most feared reptiles in the world. This is because they can strike unexpectedly and kill their prey with their venom. Some snakes, however, kill their prey by constriction. This is where they squeeze their prey until it suffocates. The African rock python is a non-venomous snake that kills its prey by constriction. It is one of the largest snakes in Africa with a maximum length of 17 feet. The rock python is a very aggressive snake and will attack anything that invades its territory. It feeds on a variety of animals that include antelopes, baboons, mongooses, birds, and rodents. Humans, too, fall prey to this snake. The African rock python is responsible for 200 to 300 attacks on humans annually, causing 15 to 20 deaths. It mainly attacks humans in self-defense, but occasionally it can turn aggressive. When bitten by this snake, seek medical attention immediately. Number 5. Africanized bees. These are a type of honeybee that is highly aggressive towards people and animals. They were created in 1956 when scientists in Brazil decided to cross Apis mellifera scutellata, an African honeybee species, with Apis mellifera, which is found in Europe. The aim was to create a hybrid that was both productive and could survive in the tropical climate of Brazil. However, things did not go as planned. The bees quickly spread all over South America and were nicknamed killer bees. Their sting is very painful and can be fatal if the victim is allergic to bee stings. Although the Africanized bees were introduced into South America, they have now been found in other parts of the world, including Africa. They pose a serious threat to humans and animals, killing over 1,000 people in Africa every year. Number 4. Hippopotamus. The hippopotamus is a large mammal that weighs between 3,000 and 5,000 pounds. It is herbivorous and feeds mainly on grasses. Despite being herbivorous, the hippopotamus is one of the most dangerous animals in Africa. They are territorial and can easily get agitated. When they become agitated, they can charge and kill anyone who invades their space. Hippopotamuses are responsible for 500 deaths per year in Africa. These deaths are usually a result of a territorial fight or when the hippo feels threatened. The hippopotamus is a strong swimmer and can chase humans in water. Therefore, you should avoid swimming in hippo territory. Number 3. Cape buffalo. The Cape buffalo is one of the 5 big game animals in Africa, others being the lion, leopard, rhino, and elephant. It is known to be one of the most dangerous animals in Africa due to its unpredictable nature. The Cape buffalo is responsible for more deaths of hunters than any other animal in Africa. Its horns can grow up to 40 inches long and are curved inwards, making it easier for them to inflict serious injuries when gored. Cape buffaloes usually weigh between 660 and 990 pounds. These large mammals are carriers of diseases that can be transmitted to humans. These include anthrax, bovine tuberculosis, and foot and mouth disease. Number 2. Black mamba. This snake is regarded as the most venomous snake in Africa. It belongs to the genus of highly venomous snakes called Dendroaspis. The name mamba comes from the Zulu word imbi, which means to strike and to kill. The black mamba can grow up to 14 feet in length, although an average black mamba measures about 8 to 9 feet. The snake is primarily active during the day and is able to climb trees with great agility. This enables it to evade predators and also put it at a vantage position to strike its prey. It is also able to inject a large quantity of venom into its victim. For this reason, the bite of a black mamba can be fatal within 20 minutes. There is no anti-venom for the bite, and those bitten rarely survive. Number 1. Saltwater crocodile. This is the largest living reptile in the world. It is estimated to be 23 feet long and weigh 1 ton. It is found in coastal areas of Africa, Asia, and Australia. The saltwater crocodile is an apex predator and will feed on almost any animal that enters its territory. They even feed on sharks. Saltwater crocodiles are responsible for up to 1,000 attacks on humans every year, with most of the attacks occurring in Indonesia and Australia. The saltwater crocodile is aggressive by nature and will attack anything that invades its territory. They can run at speeds of up to 25 miles per hour, making them the fastest land-dwelling reptiles. If you enjoyed watching, please leave a like and share with friends and family. Also subscribe to stay updated on our next videos. Thanks for watching.